Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Google Docs application for your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you must know that there is no official application for the Windows version of Google Docs. So in order to use Google Docs on your PC, you will need to either install an Android emulator and use the Android version, or you can install a shortcut on your desktop like this. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. Now considering you're already signed in to your Google account, you will directly be taken into this page where you can create a new document or open from your recent documents. Now in order to install the shortcut, simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. From there you will find the More Tools setting. Simply hover over and then click on Create Shortcut. Now you can give it any name that you like and click on Open as Window in order to open it in its own independent window. Now click on Create, and this will immediately open the Google Docs window on its own separate application that you can launch from your desktop shortcut. You can also create a new document and then repeat the same process from your web browser, so that every time you open up Google Docs from the shortcut, you will automatically open up a new document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Google Docs application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.